Hello and welcome to the Agrimatics Cloud Service video guides. Today we'll be starting with a quick overview of the site. I have gone to our website here at cloud.agrimatics.com. You can also access it by going to agrimatics.com and clicking on the Cloud Service button there. If you have created an account through the app with a Gmail or have a valid Gmail, you can create an account with us and sign in here. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one at the bottom of the page here. You will need a valid Google account or Gmail to create an account and sign in. So I'll go ahead and sign into mine here. And you'll be brought to this page here where you can select which account you would like to sign into. Farm's name on the left, and you can see whether it is a pro or basic subscriber at the right here. We'll go into a little bit of differences between the pro and basic subscribers during this video, but there will be a more in-depth breakdown available at our support site. I'll go ahead and log into my account. And then you'll be asked to select which app you use. If you use LibreTMR, it does have very different functionality from our grain cart apps, and you'll have to make sure that you select that. If you're using the grain cart apps, you can select either LibreCart or iFarm on this page here. Your data is not going to get confused or moved around or changed like that in any way. It's just purely a color difference as far as this website is concerned. Logging in here to our LibreCart app, we can see this is the home page, and we have some bar graphs just showing a little bit about what crops we have in our account running here. We'll go through all of these tabs up here and the My Account section there. More in-depth and detailed guides will be available, as I said, on our support site for each of these. So if you're having a trouble with a specific one of those, you can go and find that more detailed guide and it might be able to help you. Moving right into the tabs here, we can see our transactions tab. Here you will be able to see any transaction related to your currently selected season. This is a pro feature only. Basic subscribers will not have access to this tab. The Fields tab works very similarly to how it does in the Libre app. You can go and view information about your growers, fields, farms, all that good stuff. Pro subscribers have the ability to add, edit, and archive through any of these editing buttons at the side here. Basic features or basic subscribers will not have access to these features. Similar story with trucks. You can go in and see some of the information about your trucks. Again, only pro subscribers will be able to add, edit, and archive data. Destinations also works very similarly to the Libre app. You can see the bins, all their related transactions. Similarly, you can only edit, archive, and add new destinations and destination groups and their data with a pro subscription. The crops tab will show you all the crops in your account and kind of some information about them. Again, editing is only available to pro subscribers. Operators, similar functionality as everything else. Seasons, if you have multiple seasons in here, you can go ahead and select which one you want to be viewing. I only have my current season here at this time, but if you have any more, you will see them listed down here as well as their date range. Pro subscribers can end seasons from within the website. Basic users will have to do that from within the Libre app, just like everything else. Reports. If you are a basic subscriber, you will only have access to summary reports. This is very similar to what we generate from within the Libre app at the growers level. So it's the same report. You can just do it here. You tap generate summary and it will create either a PDF or CSV file that you can download there. If you are a Pro subscriber, you'll have access to some of our more advanced reporting options, and you can go ahead and take a look there. Archive is a purely Pro feature. It allows you to remove data from the lists without deleting any of the actual data associated with them. So, good thing if you want to kind of whittle down some of the information that you don't have to, scroll through in your lists if you're not using a particular field or operator or any of these other selections here. The Users tab. Here you can see what users you have assigned with your account, which ones are web users versus purely mobile users. This works very similarly for both subscription types. You can add, edit, grab the sign out, and grab the access code through this Manage Mobile Device button, and you can remove users if they don't have any data associated with them. The big difference here for Pro and Pro and Basic subscribers is that Basic subscribers, every user is treated as kind of a separate instance of a database, and so you'll have to know which user has been working which fields in order to find the information about them. And if multiple users work on a field, the data will not be, you'll have to manually kind of transfer that around. Whereas if you are a Pro subscriber, all that data is combined and synced between all of your users automatically. Our My Account section here has easy way to get to our access codes. That'll just bring you to our users page here if you click on it. Manage Account. You can come in here and see some details about your account. This would show you if you are a Pro or Basic subscriber here. You can deactivate your account. If you ever accidentally deactivate your account, we can reinstate it if you'd like. Just give us a call or an email. You can find your account number here and edit some of your account details, such as your account name, your address, your phone number, and the contact email that we will use to get a hold of you should we ever need to. Your billing information can be viewed and edited here. You can see kind of how many subscriptions you would have to our Pro service and manage your billing details and payment details there. This is a slightly different view as it is a internal demo account. Merge data, this is a Pro feature only. This allows you to merge any duplicate data if you've had accounts with multiple devices that weren't synced before. As long as something has the same name and is on the same kind of level of our folder system, it will be kind of combined with anything else that has the same name. It has to be exactly the same, and that removes any duplicates. Like if you have multiple corn crops and they're exactly the same and they're all named corn, they will be merged into one instance of that corn thing. If there's anything different about them, they will stay as separate instances, so you don't need to worry. Our integrations page, you can see here that we do integrate with various other farm management softwares. This is a Pro feature only. If you'd like to integrate with any of these, you will have to upgrade to Pro. The big ones that we see a lot of use out of are our John Deere Operations Center and CNH Industrial integrations. That allows you to bring in your field data without having to add it all manually. Our preferences here, you can choose kind of what main units you would like to use, and you can also override units. So say I do like to have my weight units in pounds and my temperature in Celsius, you can have that or any kind of combination that you would prefer. Switch season, this is where you can come to switch seasons again, kind of another quick access. Manage licenses here, if you are a Pro subscriber, you will see how many licenses you have, what users they're attributed to, when they'll be renewing, and licenses renew automatically each year. If you need to add or renew any licenses, you can go here as well. Finally, we have our request assistance. If you ever have any problems and our video guides and written guides aren't helping and you just can't quite figure it out, we can definitely give you a hand. Just send us a quick message here and we will get back to you and help you as soon as we possibly can. And you can also sign out. That has been the cloud service at a glance. Again, more detailed and advanced guides will be available for each of the tabs, and a pro versus basic breakdown will also be available on our support website at support.agrimatics.com. For more instructional videos, app help, how-to guides, and troubleshooting tips for any of our other apps, please visit our support page at support.agrimatics.com.